morning, good morning, good morning. I'm Salon Diva V in the place to be, y'all. My garden. And it is an early Monday morning. I'm out in the garden. Just came to look and see. Y'all, it's been raining like every day the past week and a half. And I've been out here a minimum of time, and it's overgrown. I came out yesterday and did a little weed eating. Let me turn you guys around. So I came out yesterday and did a little weed eating. I had to buy another weed eater. I bought an electric one because the gas one that I had, the battery is I get not even a good 10 minutes out of it and it's dead. So I bought an electric one, and I bought a extension cord that's long enough, and I went around, and pretty much this area all back here was all this walkway. All the walkways were a hot mess filled with weeds. So I cleaned these areas out, but before I go to that area, look at this one. It's stuck. I cannot get it up out of there. It's stuck. And then I had a cucumber that I just threw over there that was just overgrown from the too much water. So, but there's still bees in here, and these cucumbers are trellising up. The cattle panel doing their thing. The lettuce is going to seed, but there are some mushrooms growing in there, so that's let me know that the soil is doing what it's supposed to be doing. But yeah, back to this section over here. I did harvest the okra off of the little. These are mini dwarf okra that I got from. Oh God, I put the name on the screen. I can't remember. But yeah, this whole section was overgrown. So still have more to do over there. You guys can see my squash, and I have some red cabbage right there, just overgrown. But look, these cucumbers. Oh, and I have another one, and I just saw it. It's big. It might be. Look at it. Y'all see that? Oh, look at that cucumber. I didn't see this one yesterday, and see, it's too much. It has too much water. No. Yeah, so I'll get those later today. I'm about to do an event, so I don't have time to be out here. I just wanted to come show you guys my garden. And then, y'all, there's a huge, let me watch my step, because the last time I came over here and stepped, I damn near took my ankle off. This one is overgrown also. So yeah, and that's just a mess over there, just a mess. Let's see if I can go. Oh no, go back. Okay. So yeah, the okra is doing good. I still need to come back over here. The corn, I did chop down one corn stalk the last time I was out here. Things happen. I have some cabbage right there. Then another, I think that's a cabbage right there. Can y'all see? So I have some cabbage right there. This is a cauliflower or broccoli. I think that's cauliflower. And she doing just great. Strawberries are doing wonderful. The tomato is tomatoing. So I don't want to make this a video. What's the name of it? I don't want to make this a walkthrough, a garden walkthrough. But I just wanted to come on and show you guys. I know I haven't been here in a while. So Just wanted to give you guys an update on the garden. It's doing lovely. Everything is everything. So the grapes, I'm trying to watch my step. So the grapes, y'all, I had like four or five grape clusters on the grapevine right there, and for whatever reason they I don't know, one of them dropped off, fell. I thought maybe that was because I trellised it this way, but I don't know. Let me check on my water. Fix that back. I need to get my other handle, my other little thingy like this, and put it right there. But yeah, so I have this PVC pipe right here that I'm stretching out to get it to stand up straight because it was curved. And I'm gonna put it right here and make the vine go like this as much as it wants to grow. And this area is doing what it's doing. So yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna keep you guys long. I just wanted to come and give you a little mini update. So this is all of the parsley and the cilantro and everything like that. Doing great. So yeah, I'm not gonna hold you guys long. Just wanted to give you an update. The onions are doing well right there. And then tomorrow, I think today, no, not today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna come in and harvest the, yes, I know. There is garlic up in here. There is garlic up in here. And I'm going to come and harvest the garlic. Kind of scared, but I'll turn on the weed eater and go through there a little bit before I harvest the garlic. Just in case there's somebody that's in there that I don't want to be in there. Because y'all know it's Wild Kingdom over here. All right. So that's it for today. Thank y'all for watching the video. Share me with your family and your friends. Check me out on my other social media pages. Don't forget to go check out my other channel. I started a new channel about vlogging and just life, the things that I like to do. It's called Salon Diva V. That's it, Salon Diva V. And to find it easier, just type in @ Salon Diva V, the @ sign or whatever you call that little thingy. Yeah, check me out over there. Let me know you visited too. Appreciate you. So y'all, I'm Salon Diva V, and the place to be, y'all, my garden. Until I see you guys in the next video, you know what it is. Peace.